Hi guys, let's quickly make this beautiful off shoulder baby top. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. Alright, this top is a very simple top. We're going to make it now, so let's get started. Okay, so to make this cute top, just have your fabric into 4 folds. I'm trying to take off the pin so that I will show you the fold, how I folded it. As you can see, the first layer is folded into 2, the second one is folded into 2. So they are both representing the back and the front. So I just want to go ahead and pin it back in place before we start our measurement proper. Guys, you need to pin your fabric, okay, so that everything will come out well. It also helps you to control your fabric. All right. So for the width, I have 12 inches, as you can see, and then the length, I have 14 inches, okay? You know, say I love you. So I'll go ahead now, just mark 4.5 inches, like so. This 4.5 inches is the armhole length, is 4.5 inches. I just want to mark it all through because I'll be needing this line. This is my armhole, but I'm connecting it straight from end to end, and I'm adding the chest measurements plus 1 inch or 2 inches sewing allowance. And from that chest measurement, I'm just slanting my tape, as you can see me doing, to the end of the fabric, okay, depending on how wide you want the top to be. Then I'm coming up by the hemline by 1 inch, like you can see me doing, just 1 inch, like so. I want to make a curve at the hem so that it won't be straight, or it won't be looking funny. I just want to go ahead and cut it out. All right, so I'll stop here. This is where you stop cutting, and then I'll cut the down part like so. I'll cut it out just as you can see me cutting it out. All right. Okay, I'm done cutting it. I'll see what it looks like, and then I'm just trimming that 1 inch out so that I will have a very fine hemline. All right, so I'm just notching that part a bit so that it will be free, just a bit, like 1/2 inch. As you can see, I just notched it. Okay guys, let's open it up and see what we have here. See what we have. So beautiful. So I'm just trying to lay it on each other. Okay, so now to begin to just go ahead, you join this side as I'm demonstrating. You also join the other parts. That is what I'm doing. I'm trying to sew it together, okay? The shoulder part that I demonstrated, I'm trying to sew it together, just as you can see me doing. See, I've sewed it, this part with 1/2 inch, and then I also went ahead, I also sewed this other part. You see, let me open it so you see what we have. So okay, I'm just trying to fold in that part. Yeah, I'm trying to fold it in like so, from where we notched to the other end of the top. I'm just sewing it like so, from the one part where we notched to the other part. That is what I'm sewing now. So just follow the process, the video, you will understand. It is very simple. All right. Okay, so you see what we have now. You see what I hemmed now. So beautiful. So I'll go ahead, I'll also do same for the other side. That is what I'm doing now. I'm just trying to fold it. I'll stop at that other notch, from one notch to the other notch. Okay, so I'm just going ahead to cut out my thread. All right, then I'm just sewing the side, like I'm shaping the top. Yeah, so fast. It's a very simple top to make. I'm also notching that part so that it will be free, okay? Because it is a curve, so I want it to be free. I'm also going ahead to shape the second part, the side. All right? And then I'll also notch it. Okay? So this is the hemline. Yeah, I'm trying to fold the hemline. I'm trying to hem the down part of the top. Okay guys, I'm done doing that. So I just want to insert an elastic. You can measure your shoulder. Okay, this is around 20 inches. Okay, so I'm just inserting the elastic inside, as you can see me doing. I'm just inserting the elastic and I'll pin it down. All right, at the beginning I'll pin it down. Make sure I pin it down so that it won't run away when I start sewing. Okay, so I'll fold it, then I'll just start sewing, making sure I am not stepping on my elastic. See how I'm trying to run my hand on it to be sure that my needle is not, inside my elastic. Okay, I'm just sewing it. I'm going to do this round. I'm trying to be sure that I did not sew on the elastic. Okay, you have to be checking it from time to time so that your elastic will be secured. And I'll just keep on dragging the elastic while I sew. You can take your time to do this, all right? See what I'm doing? Dragging the elastic, making sure it is free. Then I'll continue doing it gradually. All right, you want to weave this part of this dress, of this top, before you start inserting your elastic. This one doesn't need weaving because the hem is secured. So I did not weave mine. I just went ahead and I sewed in the elastic. So I'll just keep doing this till I get to the other end of the elastic. All right, so when I get to the other end of the elastic, I'll remove the pin and then I'll just join it as you can see me doing, and then I'll go and sew it on my machine. I'll sew the elastic together like this. I'll top stitch it very, very well, all right, so that it won't cut. And then I'll just continue. I'll just secure the open part. That part that is open, I'll just secure it. All right, I'm trying to secure the remaining part of the top. Guys, this is it. I'm done. I thought it is a very simple dress to make. A very simple, very, very simple. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. All right, give it a try if you really, really love it. So guys, this is it. You can actually make this for even an adult with this same method. The only difference is the measurement. The measurement will be different from that of a child, of course. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.